Welcome back. This is our third tutorial about working with dynamic blocks. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at applying the Move action. Let's start by opening the Block Editor. On the Home tab, go to the Block panel and click Edit Block. We'll give our block a name, 001. Click OK. Let's go to the Home tab to access the drawing tools. I'm going to drop a rectangle in the drawing area. The block authoring palette is open. Let's go to the Parameters tab. Select Point, and left-click to place the point. We'll drop it about here. Now let's go to the Actions tab. Select Move. Next step, select the parameter. Third step, select the object, which is my rectangle. Right-click to finish the selection. Let's test the block out. Click Test Block. Select the block. Here's the point. Grab and move the rectangle. And the block works just as we'd intended. Let's exit the test block environment. Let's go back to the Home tab, activate the Rectangle command, and place it about here. Now back to the Parameters tab on the Block Authoring palette. This time we'll apply a linear parameter. Select the first point and the second point, and drop the parameter about here. Let's go to the Actions tab. Click Move again. Now we select the parameter, distance 1, and press Enter. Let's select the object now, and right-click to finish the selection. Let's see how our second rectangle works. Click Test Block. Let's grab it and move it. And it works as we'd intended. Let's exit the test block environment. Create a couple more rectangles now. Go back to the Home tab, activate the Rectangle command, and drop it about here. And another one. Drop it about here. Let's take a look at the Parameter Sets tab. Previously, we added parameters and actions separately. Let's learn how we can do it simultaneously. Here is Point Move. Here is Linear Move. Let's try Point Move first. Specify the parameter location. Left-click to specify the label location. Here I have the action glyph. There's an exclamation symbol, that's the warning symbol. Let's see how we can repair this problem. Right-click on the glyph. Select Action Selection Set, then select Modify Selection Set. Now I'm ready to select the object. Right-click to finish our selection. Right-click again. Let's apply a linear move now. Select it. Select the first and second points. Place the label. And once again, we've got the warning symbol. Let's right-click. Action Selection Set. Modify Selection Set. I'll select the rectangle and right-click. And let's test our other rectangle block. Test block. Make the selection. And they essentially move freely in the drawing area. Let's exit the testing environment, close the block editor, and let's save our changes. And insert our block in model space. Block 001 is pre-selected. Click OK. Left-click to place it. Now let's see how it works. And everything works as we intended. This concludes our third tutorial about working with dynamic blocks.